For homeowners seeking window replacement, Rollingwood Austin, Texas, the fastest path to better comfort is choosing Rollingwood window replacement services tailored to local homes and Central Texas weather. Austin, Texas home window replacement improves curb appeal, indoor temperature control, and long-term property value in neighborhoods like Rollingwood, West Lake Hills, Tarrytown, Bee Cave, and Southwest Austin. Residential window replacement Rollingwood projects often focus on reducing heat gain, upgrading aging frames, and replacing outdated glass with energy-efficient windows Austin, Texas homeowners trust. From old window replacement Austin, Texas to complete house window upgrade Rollingwood plans, modern solutions help create quieter, brighter, and more efficient living spaces across Travis County. Custom replacement windows Rollingwood TX are ideal for homeowners who want style, performance, and a precise fit for unique openings. Whether the home is a mid-century property in Rollingwood, a traditional build near West Lake Hills, or a newer luxury residence in Austin, Texas, custom home window replacement in Austin, Texas supports design flexibility and stronger insulation. Many window installers near Rollingwood Austin recommend high-performance replacement windows Rollingwood for better solar control and lower utility costs. Options such as vinyl window replacement Rollingwood, casement upgrades, and double pane window installation Austin provide attractive finishes while standing up to harsh sun, wind, and changing seasonal conditions. Energy Star window replacement Austin, Texas is one of the smartest investments for reducing indoor drafts and improving year-round efficiency. High-efficiency windows Austin, Texas residents choose often include insulated glass window replacement Austin solutions with low-E coatings, double pane construction, and weather-resistant windows for Austin, Texas homes. These features help keep cooled air inside during long summer months while blocking outside heat, dust, and noise. For drafty window replacement Rollingwood homes, replacing older units with eco-friendly replacement windows Rollingwood Austin can noticeably improve comfort. Rollingwood Austin insulated window installation is especially valuable for homes exposed to full afternoon sun and fluctuating temperatures. Luxury home window replacement Rollingwood Austin, Texas requires premium materials, precise workmanship, and design consistency with high-end architecture. In upscale neighborhoods around Rollingwood Austin, Texas, homeowners often request modern replacement windows Austin, Texas with expansive glass, slim sightlines, and durable frames that complement stone, stucco, and contemporary finishes. A replacement window company Austin residents rely on can coordinate window frame replacement Austin services, specialty glass, and custom sizes for estate homes and renovated properties. West Lake Hills and Rollingwood window replacement projects frequently prioritize both beauty and efficiency, making premium residential window replacement Rollingwood a common upgrade for discerning homeowners throughout the Austin metro. Historic home window replacement Austin, Texas demands attention to architectural detail and careful integration with older structures. In established Austin neighborhoods and nearby Rollingwood areas, old window replacement Austin, Texas projects often involve preserving character while improving function. Local Austin, Texas window and glass replacement professionals can recommend window retrofit services Rollingwood Austin, Texas that maintain original proportions while adding modern thermal performance. For aging wood frames, window frame replacement Austin options may include matching profiles or discreetly updated materials. Homeowners searching for best replacement windows Rollingwood often value a balance of authenticity, insulation, and long-term durability when restoring classic homes in Travis County and Greater Austin, Texas. Affordable window replacement Rollingwood can still deliver premium results when homeowners work with local window contractors Austin, Texas familiar with area housing styles and weather demands. A nearby window replacement company in Austin, Texas may offer same-day window consultation Rollingwood Austin, helping residents compare product lines, energy ratings, and installation timelines without delay. From suburban window replacement Austin, Texas to targeted broken window replacement Rollingwood services, experienced crews can identify cost-effective solutions that reduce maintenance and improve comfort. Window replacement in Rollingwood Austin, Texas does not have to be overwhelming when trusted Austin, Texas window replacement specialists guide every step from inspection to final installation. Storm window replacement. Rollingwood is essential for homeowners who want stronger protection against wind, rain, and unexpected weather events in Central Texas. Weather-resistant windows for Austin, Texas homes can help reduce water intrusion, frame deterioration, and glass failure while also improving everyday efficiency. For homes with cracked panes, failed seals, or damaged sashes, broken window replacement Rollingwood services restore security and appearance quickly. Many Rollingwood TX replacement window contractor teams also provide insulated glass window replacement Austin options that reinforce thermal performance after storm damage. In neighborhoods across Rollingwood, West Lake Hills, and Southwest Austin, durable replacement systems support safer and more resilient homes. Double-hung window replacement Rollingwood TX remains a popular option because it suits many architectural styles and allows easy ventilation. Home window installation Rollingwood TX projects often mix double-hung units with sliding window replacement Austin near Rollingwood or casement window installation Rollingwood Austin for a functional, customized layout. Homeowners interested in a full window renovation services Rollingwood plan may upgrade multiple styles at once to improve airflow, visibility, and energy savings. Modern replacement windows Austin, Texas are available in vinyl, composite, and other low-maintenance materials, making them practical for busy households throughout Rollingwood Austin, nearby West Lake Hills, and the larger Austin Metro replacement windows near Rollingwood Market. Local expertise matters when comparing window installers near Rollingwood Austin because installation quality directly affects long-term performance. Rollingwood Austin residential window installers who understand the area can better recommend products for sun exposure, humidity, and home orientation. Travis County window replacement contractors often work throughout Rollingwood, West Lake Hills, downtown Austin, and surrounding communities, giving them experience with everything from compact suburban properties to custom luxury residences. Whether the need is a simple house window upgrade Rollingwood project or a full Austin, Texas home window replacement, choosing a replacement window company Austin homeowners recognize for reliability helps avoid air leaks, poor fit, and premature wear. Same-day window consultation Rollingwood Austin services make it easier to start a project quickly and confidently. Homeowners researching local Austin, Texas window and glass replacement, window installation near Rollingwood TX, or Southwest Austin window replacement services can benefit from prompt measurements, product recommendations, and transparent scheduling. The Rollingwood Neighborhood Window Upgrade Austin, Texas market continues to grow as residents seek eco-friendly replacement windows Rollingwood Austin, high-performance replacement windows Rollingwood, and best replacement windows Rollingwood for comfort and resale value. From window replacement Rollingwood Austin, Texas to full custom replacement windows Rollingwood TX, the right solution enhances appearance, efficiency, and everyday living across Austin, Texas.